Hello everybody. Today I am going to take you on a little vlog with me. Now, it's not a great vlog because I was hoping I was going to be really organized and productive and show you how I run my business and everything, but unfortunately it's 9 o'clock. I do have my short ready for today, so that's good. I can get that posted in a bit. I'm going to get Xander now. He just woke up, and then I did have groceries delivered. What do we have on the schedule for today? I have to work, obviously, housework, like the daily 6. It's our turn to bring food for Bible study tonight, so I've got to get that ready. What else? Both kids have practices tonight, as well as our Bible study, so we've got to figure out logistics there. So there's lots to do. Luke is, he's in a meeting right now out of the house. He usually works at home, but he's not at home right now. He'll be home later. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already started the dryer to fluff up the clothes. I'm gonna put those away, grab Xander, get the groceries in, and then we'll just take it from there. I do have some messes, I've got some boxes there that I need to deal with, but let's get Xander first. And now the good thing is, even when I'm a little chaotic, the house is still, there's a few, straggler items that got taken out after I went to bed, but for the most part, the house is still as, tidy as it was when I shut it down last night. So although I'm a little frazzled this morning and have lots to do, the house is not really, a main concern. It's livable, right? It's fairly tidy. Hello. Open up the curtain. Good. Okay. Oh. Yay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Zoom. Okay, so Grayson brought in the groceries for us. I forgot to mention my hair looks like this because I'm getting a bunch of new, if you saw my stories over on IG, I'm getting a bunch of new hair products because I'm trying to do I have wavy to curly-ish hair. I don't know what type it is, but I'm trying to get my curls to look better. So that stuff's supposed to come today. So I want to shower after I get it. So my hair's just gonna have to look like this for a while. Who's that? Oh, it's Ravo. What's the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Sometimes I do grocery delivery and sometimes I do pickup. It is a fee to have it delivered. We're really rural, so the fact that we get Walmart delivery is pretty cool because our closest Walmart is probably 35-40 minutes away. So they're remodeling our grocery pickup at our Walmart, and so one of the workers told Luke one time that they prefer if you have it delivered because it's just really chaotic and the logistics are pretty crazy. Will you help me finish up unbagging these groceries? Oh, they dented, and then I'm also making chicken nuggets. So.
Okay, I will have the chicken nuggets.
12, 13 kids.
Mom, you think my room
Okay, Luke is back home, and I'm gonna have to escape to the kitchen. Not escape, it's all one room, but Xander is so cranky today. It's a combination of being like a toddler and wanting something and not wanting it at the same time, but then also, it could be he's teething or something, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm gonna go to the kitchen and I don't know, make some lunch, even though it's 10:30, just to be busy away from him or something. I don't know, but let's go make food. I have not filmed a whole lot because Zanny's been pretty fussy. He's in his high chair eating oranges right now. So I'm going to go ahead and cook the ground beef for the meals for tonight for Bible study. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll go ahead and sauce what needs sauced, season what needs seasoned, and probably stick it back in the fridge. It's for the kids. Okay, so Luke and I had a little downtime while Xander slept. Grayson's done his schoolwork. He's playing over at my parents' right now. They just live across the street. Luke and I are going to read our Bible study books for class tonight. And then I need to do, I still have to do my shower. I think my stuff finally came just a little while ago. But first, let's read our books, and then just after that, I'll probably grab my shower. Isabella just got home from school. I didn't get to see her when she woke up. She's so beautiful. Can you wave to the camera? Aww.
Jason is black, and it says polka dot heels. How cute is that? That fits her vibe so well.
Try all this stuff when I get out of my shower here in a few.
I need a walker.
I'm very hateful, Dad.
I'm not hateful.
You want to eat? What do you want to eat? Today is just not going how I wanted it to go. Moms of young kids, or moms in general, I'm sure you remember. Oh my gosh, the only time he is not screaming and throwing a fit about something is when I'm filming. So thank goodness for that. But it's just like a constant piercing scream. I haven't been able to do much work today because of it. So thankfully, Luke has just told me that he will be taking Xander with him when he takes Grayson to practice. So that's great, because that's going to give me some quiet time. I'm losing it. Oh, when I get really bad anxiety, like my chest tightens and hurts, and my chest hurts terrible today. Oh, he's fussing right now. It's just tough. It's just tough. You don't have days like this often, but when they come, they're all encompassing. They're really hard to manage and work around, and when you have busy schedules, that's not cool. But oh well. Okay, so I finally have some peace and quiet, and I'm gonna shower, and then after I'm gonna attempt these new products I got. So I got this curl brush, something. This brush. I got a diffuser, and then I have some hair products, but this is a leave-in conditioner. I don't have that. And this is sculpting gel and curl cream. So I'm going to attempt to just kind of like support the waves that are already in my hair and see what they look like. But I'm really grateful, praise God, for a few minutes of quiet to take my shower. One other thing, and this is probably TMI, but I suffer from a disease or a condition known as HS, hidradenitis suppurativa, which is where you get painful cysts in areas where you have sweat glands, so under your arms, under your breasts, in your groin, and I have 2 infections in my groin right now. So like just add insult to injury. It'll be nice to get a warm shower where I can kind of get some relief from my pain and get some relief from the baby. Some days are tough. Some days are tough, but it's okay. Life is a blessing, and God has us here for a reason, and I'm alive today breathing air for a reason. So I'm just going to praise God in the loud and praise God in the quiet, and I'm gonna grab my shower and I'll see you when my shower's over. Okay, I had a great shower. I can't dwell on that though because this hair routine requires your hair to be sopping wet, which I think it's already not. So I need to move quickly. Yeah.
How you said you like stay until the party.
Okay, this is the final product. It looks wet, I think, but it's not. I don't know. What do you guys think?
Okay. But will you ask?
Again, it doesn't go curly. I just have wavy hair.
Okay, you go.
I don't know. Either way, I've got to go. It's like 5:30 and we need to be at Bible study at like 6:30. So I need to go back out to the kitchen and finish cooking.
Okay.
And then I just thought I would share, I don't know what other people do, but for their fat, like the fat that rendered off of the ground beef, I put some paper towel in with my fat when I drain it, and then it just kind of all glues to the paper towel, like adheses to that, and then I just toss the whole thing in the trash. So just a little tip for you. Okay, so we need to leave in about 30 minutes. So I am going to unload the dishwasher and then reload it with the few dishes that we used. There's few, but they're big. So I need to get those cleaned or in the dishwasher. When we get home from Bible study, it's typically later. It's like usually like 8:30, and we kind of need to start bedtime routines at that point. So I like to go ahead and kind of start my house shut down before we leave. So I've got 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that.
No, like.
I didn't think, oh, good. We're talking. I've got my Bible bag, and now I'm just gonna pack up, just waiting on the rest of the food to cook and warm up. So I'm gonna pack my Bible study stuff, take my books out that I had in there for my road trip. I've got my Bible, so pretty, I love it. Bible, my Bible tabs on it. I'll have everything linked down below in the comments too if you want anything, or the description if you want anything. And then I've got the book that we are doing for the study. We are doing a study on Colossians. And then this is my my Bible journal here. So I'm gonna take notes and my pen. I do need to go grab Luke's Bible and his Bible study book. So hang on one second. Okay. So the kids will come up. Okay, I'm gonna start taking stuff out. Taco salad.
He's not taking it. He's just going.
And that is my day. I don't know how cohesive this video was, but hopefully it was helpful. And if you found it helpful or you'd like to see videos like this again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all the things. And I will see you Tuesday for our next video.